Bob's Lacson Cafe. We are here on the second floor and wow, amazing ideas for 2026. Kuya Jeff, what is one amazing surprise idea in 2026?
Our maximization of digital, which is our Catch Church. We can preach 200 congregation
200 times?
Yes.
200 congregations via what?
via Catch Church, our recorded sermon.
You know what? There is a group called CCF. They are doing that. They are doing Philippines, they are doing Asia, they are doing worldwide. And it doesn't have to be a Sunday, huh?
Yeah.
It could be even Monday, Tuesday. You know what? In Saudi Arabia, you don't have church on a Sunday. You have church on a what?
Maybe in the middle of the week.
Friday. Kay Muslim area, Friday. Hindi ba? So, wow, a Catch Church can be... Can you say a little bit more? Sige, pagin.
It is an opportunity as well to reach the unreached group of people in our remote areas, even though they don't have any pastors guest, because we can send our material and then maybe they can select our previous series.
You know what? Even the series of 2019, series of 2022, it can be in a Catch Church format by the help of our digital masters over there. And the live preaching, maybe no more because it will be on video, but the live music is there.
Yes.
Oh, wow. The live prayer is there.
Yes.
Everybody can be prayed for.
Yes.
Even the children can receive a benediction at the end.
Yes.
Even the giving can be live or can also be digital. What do you think?
Live. We can do it live.
And of course, Gcash. Joke lang. So, brothers and sisters, well, one idea is Catch Church 2026. Probably the launching pad is...
Maybe 2 weeks from now, or
Okay.
maybe first week of 2026.
Why not? Or even the Valentine's Day of the February 2026. Basta, we are looking at the 9 a.m. of Ayala to be a prototype of fullness Catch Church setup, like our brothers and sisters in CCF. And then another, if there is number 2 surprise or another 2 development for you, what is that?
I will be helping our Citadins Church, the North people, and I'm very excited as well to really serve the people and the Lord in the North area.
He used the word help. I will be helping, but you know what? Technically, I think he will be the one to be benefited more. Yeah, he will be benefited more. Kakilala ka kay Ma'am Dunajoy, our admin? Yes. Wala mo pa nakilalaan si Ma'am Wilching. Tapos kay Ma'am Wilching. Bye-bye, Pastor J are here in Bob's, and there you go. Bye.